Like, this is what you want to eat to get that constipated, bloated big belly all down. This relieves you, cleans your tummy, and you visit your restroom and have everything all out, plus help you burn your belly fat and get your belly back in shape. So in order to come up with this very amazing recipe, the first ingredient you need is flaxseed. So I have ground flaxseed, but I want to show you how to come up with yours. So you can get the whole flaxseed, put in your blender and blend, as easy as that. So you can meal it yourself at home. So this is it. I'll ground this, but I'll measure the quantity I need to use for this for the recipe today. So you want to blend and get your ground chia seed. They are very good at boosting your metabolism, softening your tummy. That way you pass out all the stuff, making your belly bloated and so big, and you have your belly all down. This is so good. So this is your ground flaxseed. You blend and put some in a cup, or like to store up and use whenever you want. So the quantity I need here is just 1/3 cup of the flaxseed. So you don't need a lot of it, just 1/3 cup of it, and that is it. That is the first ingredient. Very filling and very good for your tummy to soften and help you get rid of that bloated big belly. Now, the next thing that is very good for bloating, constipation, to help you with digestion, have that bloated big belly all down, like, is oranges. Oranges are very good at softening your tummy. That way you clean your tummy, everything all out, and you have your tummy all down again. So what you need is one orange. You want to get the juice and everything. Like, I'll squeeze all the juice out plus the fiber, and you make sure you want to watch this video till the end, so you follow the steps on how to come up with this, so you can get the best results out of it. So I love oranges as well because it brings taste to this, and it doesn't I don't need to add any sweetener, any other thing like honey or whatever. Just the orange brings in some beautiful flavor, plus the fiber in the orange is very good at helping you with digestion, burn fat, and equally boost your metabolism. So this is what you want to do. Put your flaxseed in the pot, and on your stove add in 1 cup of water. So that is 1 cup of water there. In your flaxseed, your quarter cup of flaxseed, your 1/3 cup of flaxseed rather, sorry. You put in 1 cup of water. Make sure you mix well. So once your stuff, once it starts bubbling or like heating up this way, that is when you want to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are very good at boosting your metabolism as well. Like, this helps you, like, if you have that bloated big belly, you want to push everything all out and have your belly all flat. Try this recipe, so amazing. So now, that is flaxseed. This is cinnamon. Half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. You add half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder in the pot. Very important as well for cleansing your tummy, boosting metabolism, cleaning your tummy. Like, this is so good. So you want to mix all the ingredients to one kind of consistency, like, so you don't have lumps in your meal. So just mix everything so well to get everything to one consistency. Very powerful. So, and then the next thing I add in here is plant-based milk. So this is almond milk I'm adding here. You can add coconut milk, you can add almond milk, or if you don't have, you can just consume like that. But this makes you, it fills you up. Like, you have this like your breakfast, it fills you up. That way you don't feel like eating, and helping you cleanse your tummy of the constipated stuff. And then you go ahead and add in your orange. So this orange, this is when you add your orange when you turn off your stove, and you don't want, you turn off your stove before you add in the orange, and make sure you mix everything to one consistency, or like to be smooth and all nice. This is so powerful, because if you have this as your breakfast in the morning, I'll share with you how to go about this. But when you have this as breakfast, you feel like eating much later. And this is very fat burning, very cleansing, will help boost you, cleanse your tummy. You visit your restroom while you're full, so you eat and lose weight. So this is it, all nice and healthy, a very healthy kind of breakfast you can have. And trust me, while cleansing your tummy of the waste causing constipation and bloating to get your tummy all down, you equally fuel your tummy with something healthy. And plus you want to make sure you're drinking water. Most people complain of constipation and bloating, they don't drink water. Water is what helps you with digestion, as basic as that. If you don't drink water and you substitute water with any other kind of juice, no juice is water. Juice can never perform the function of water unless you're drinking orange juice. Orange juice can help you with digestion, or lemon water, but that is still water. So you want to drink your plain water, no, most especially the kinds of ones you buy at the drug at your supermarket. Those kinds of juices, I don't want to call their names, loaded with sugars, those will only help you gain calories and add gases in your system for more constipation and bloating. So don't substitute your water. Make sure you're drinking your water, and you will watch that belly go all down. Like, these are my secrets I share with you for free. So you follow me on Instagram, you will see my pictures. My belly is always out. This is a picture I have in my computer here. I am just healthy and in shape, not necessarily being skinny. You don't want to be malnourished, because being skinny a lot is not really good. You want to have that healthy body size without that belly fat or bad fats in your system. That is the goal here. We want to nourish, because without nourishing properly, you can easily be sick as well. So you want to nourish, but with the right meals. You want to eat, but eat what will help you stay healthy, like this recipe. So don't starve yourself because you want to lose weight, or drinking gallons of lemons or slimming teas. You want to eat like this. Like, this is what you fill your tummy with in the morning. It helps you burn fat, fills you up, nourish your system with nutrients, because flax seeds contain high amounts of iron, calcium, same as chia seeds. They have dietary fiber, very good for you. Like, there are so many benefits with this recipe I've shared. Very perfect breakfast recipe you can go for, and you will hardly have that chunky belly. You will hardly complain of constipation and bloating. You will always stay healthy, in shape, without gaining weight. And like, this is very healthy, I can't reiterate enough. Very perfect for weight loss, perfect breakfast for weight loss and belly fat loss. Constipation will help you with digestion, and like, I can't reiterate enough. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends. Tell them Risa said I should share this video with you, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you. Bye. Cheers.